Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your GPU model and current driver. This tells you which package to use. Once done, make a system restore point and backup game profiles so you can revert if needed. Next, download the latest Nvidia driver and display driver uninstaller. Use the in safe mode to remove old remnants, because a clean driver rebuild often fixes stutters and frame drops caused by corrupt installs or leftover settings. After reinstalling, perform a clean install and choose the appropriate driver branch. Game ready for new titles, Studio for creative apps. Then, set Windows Power Plan to high performance and disable full screen optimizations per game, because Windows may throttle CPU or GPU otherwise. In Nvidia Control Panel, set Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance, enable G-Sync if supported, and set frame limits or low latency options to stabilize FPS. These changes control how your GPU scales performance versus power. You finish by monitoring temperatures and clocks with MSI Afterburner. If thermal throttling appears, adjust fan curves or cap power limit slightly to stabilize FPS. Next, test games at default settings and delete config files to rule out bad presets, because corrupted ini files can kill performance. If issues persist, roll back to a previous driver or swap in another GPU or PSU to isolate hardware faults. This one troubleshooting tip often reveals if the problem is software or a failing component.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.